Hey guys, big car there, we're starting. Ben's here, and we're gonna be doing suspension lift on the car. Now, this is how it is at the start. So, come over here, we have, can't really tape measure. That is, okay, 188 mil. 188 mil. So, we'll start with that, and then hopefully by then it'll be like 250 mil. So if you come over here, this is the rear wheel. Okay, rear wheel's 210. So there's only like 30-40 mil difference between these. So we can get that up to 30-40 mil. That would be good. Alright, so Ben's just putting on 2 cable ties because we put these little spring compressors on. There's one there in each wheel. And then pretty much we're going to be lifting this part of the hoist up, and which will create the springs to just sag inside the shocks. And then hopefully we can just undo the shocks and then it will drop out. And then we can put the new 150 series springs in. So we'll see how we go. Alright, so Ben's just taking this out. Super sus. Was it easy to get out, Ben? Was it hard to get out?
It wasn't too bad.
Too bad.
We put these on just to compress them up a little bit, and then just lifted the vehicle up, dropped that down, and managed to squeeze it out. It wasn't too bad.
So now we're going to see, hopefully, when that's all off, that the black ones will take heaps more weight. But they look pretty similar size, so it'll be interesting to see. Yeah, I mean the bottom of this is a bit smaller compared to this. This is like sort of, this could be going like that. But yeah, we'll see how we go, and we have to take half as well, and then we'll do the same on the other side. Alright, it's an absolute mission that we've got the springs off. That's what it looks like now, and then you can see the version here. Oh, it's a bit of a mission. So pretty much these are the 90 series. We think they're level springs, and the 150 series Prado. And if you look carefully, Ben's noticed that there's actually one extra ring in that one, which isn't ideal, which means that these can potentially have more weight slash are more heavy duty. So this does have one less row, but this is meant to for a diesel motor and a heavier car. So based on that, it should be alright. Alright, we're just putting the 150 series springs in, and that's what it's going to look like. And then Ben's just going to compress that spring on, and then we'll put all that back on, and then back in there, and hopefully 7-inch lift. Yeah. Oh, what's the noise? Oh, it's definitely, well, I can tell by the CV angle, it's definitely a bit high. Oh yeah! Alright guys, so all this done thanks to Ben, and pretty much we go here and we've got like 210 mil almost, so it's gone up 25 mil, it's about an inch. And Ben was also saying, come over here, and we get a measurement off this little plastic here. We've got 602 mil, and if you come over here, we've got 595 mil. So it's pretty consistent across the board, pretty happy with it. And now, when we get on the ground, it's on the hoist now, it should sit quite flat and symmetrical, but it will probably fall just a few more mil as we take it for a drive and it settles in. Super stoked with it, and yeah, after the drive we'll come back with a report of how she drives. This is how it's sitting now on the road. It's a lot higher, it looks a lot more balanced between the front here and here. It's a little bit high at the back still, it looks like, but it might even settle down a bit more over time. But super happy with it, and so far the tyres don't knock the chassis or anything as I'm driving. It might hit this eventually, but just in here we've got to worry about, so pretty stoked with it, and yeah, it drives pretty good. Alright, here's Bailey getting in, new lift installed. How hard is it? Easy. Alright guys, thanks for watching the 3-inch lift video install on the car here. Now I just thought I'd mention that I'm actually using a different program to edit. I usually use Video Editor for Windows 10, which is like utter rubbish. It's still right, but you can't layer videos or anything. And now I'm using DaVinci Resolve, which is a really good program. It's kind of like Premiere Pro, but you don't have to pay money sort of thing. So I'm not sure if you guys watched Polly's 79 rundown, that little interview. That was done on that video. So if you guys enjoyed that, like the editing, let me know down below, because if you're simple edits, that's fine. You just gotta let me know what you want. So for now on, the videos will be high edited, high quality. Hopefully you can tell the difference. And on that note, catch you guys next time.
And thanks for, if you can, consider subscribing. Really helps me out and helps me do more videos. So thanks guys. See you next time. Cheers.